Hello, I warmly welcome all of you in this video tutorial. If you like the explanation of this video, do not forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. So let's start our today's class. As you can see on the screen that this question is totally of different pattern than whatever the question that we have discussed before in 13 different videos. So in this question, it's again from the proof section, and you need to prove LHS and RHS equal. So here, as usual, we take left hand side first. We can see left hand side as cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree into cos 60 degree into cos 80 degree. So what we will do at first here is we will arrange the trigonometric angles that are given here. We will take this cos 60 degree at first. We will arrange this first, and then it will be like cos 60 degree into cos 20 degree, that is the remaining term, and then cos 40 degree and cos 80 degree as here goes. Now there is one more thing, let it be called a trick in this question, that we will multiply the last two parts by 2 by 2, as this is applicable in any sector of the mathematics whenever necessary. So the way that we have taken this fraction is for the purpose of taking this cos 40 and cos 80 into a formula. Like you can see here, first of all, we will change the value of cos 60 degree as 1 by 2, as this is the fixed value of cos 60 degree. You can find this if you use calculator, remind yourself. And next one is cos 20 degree. We have copied the same here. Now in this fraction, from this fraction, you can see that we will take these two, the numerator 2 with cos 40 into cos 80, and then what remains in numerator here? Yes, there remains 1. So it will be 1 there, and in the denominator it will be 2. So we will arrange the number as in this form. Now in the next step, you can see that this number, the numbers in the bracket, that is in this form. It is a formula that we have studied in trigonometry, and you can see here, if it is 2 cos A into cos B, that can be written in this form, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So that's what we will be doing in the next step for the numbers, for the angles that we have inside the bracket. So that will go in the formula form, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Here you can see in place of A it's 40 degree and in place of B it's 80 degree. Now there is one more thing that we have done here, like this 1 by 2 will go with 1 by 2 that already exists at front. So these two 1 by 2 will get multiplied, and that will be equals to 1 by 4 in the next step. Now let me talk about the angles that we have inside the bracket, big bracket. Simply we can add these angles. It will be 120 degree, and we can subtract these angles, that will be minus 40 degree. So let's see in the next step that we have done. Here you can see 1 by 4, that is the product of 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 of the previous step. Cos 20 degree, that we have copied same. This is by the addition of 40 degree and 80 degree, and this is by the subtraction of 40 degree and 80 degree. So now you just observe this one. Here we have cos minus 40 degree. For that we have a formula again, that if we have cos minus theta, that can be written as cos theta according to the trigonometric rule again. So we will write cos minus 40 degree as cos 40 degree. This can be done, and that is from following this formula. Now you have cos, the value of cos 120 degree. If you know, you will directly write. Otherwise you can use the calculator again. So that will be equals to minus 1 by 2. Cos 120 degree will be equals to minus 1 by 2. Rest of the numbers are same from the above step. Now after this step, the whole 1 by 4 cos 20 degree. That can be multiplied with 1 by 2 and again 2 cos 40 degree. So breaking this bracket, we will get this 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 in minus, that will be minus 1 by 8 and cos 20 degree as the first factor, first term, and again we'll multiply 1 by 4 cos 20 degree with cos 40 degree, and that will be equals to 1 by 4 cos 20 degree, which is already existing, and cos 40 degree from inside the bracket. So this bracket is not necessary to write here. And then again we'll move to the next step following the similar rule that we have applied in the above step, that 1 minus 1 by 8 cos 20 degree is same. It's not changing here. 1 by 4 it's same. Now for cos 20 into cos 40 degree, again we will divide the number by multiply the number by 2 by 2. That means we will multiply the numbers by 2 by 2, and this can be written as 1 by 2 into 2, isn't it? So this is what we have done in this step. Again, this will go into a formula that I have described earlier, that is 2 cos A into cos B. It is in this form, that again can be written as cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So we'll write that one here. This minus 1 by 8 cos 20 degree is already there in the above step. 1 by 8, we have got that multiplying this number. You can see 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, when we multiply, that will be 1 by 8, and cos 20 plus 40 degree as A plus B. We have A as 20 degree and B as 40 degree. You can see, you can observe that in the previous step. Again, next one is following the formula, it's A minus B. Now you can see again, we can add these angles and subtract these angles. So it will be minus 1 by 8 cos 20, same 1 by 8, and inside the bracket, that is cos 60 degree from this part, and cos minus 20 degree from this part. This can again be changed as we have done earlier. Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So we'll write the same here. What I have done here is, first of all, we have cos 60 degree here. This can be written as cos 20 degree, and then we will break out the bracket. So while breaking the bracket, this 1 by 8 will multiply to both cos 60 degree and cos 20 degree as well. So 1 by 8 into cos 60 degree will be 1 by 8 cos 60 degree, and 1 by 8 into cos 20 degree. As I have told earlier also, cos minus 20 degree can be written as cos 20. So that will be 1 by 8 cos 20 degree. Now simply you can see 1 by 8 cos 20, 1 by 8 cos 20, both of them are in opposite sign, so they can be cancelled out, and then this is the final part that remains. So 1 by 8, it will be same, and in place of cos 60 degree, so it has the value as I have described earlier also, so that is equals to 1 by 2. Now finally you will get by multiplication as numerator as 1 and in the denominator 16. So this is the thing that we need to prove here. So we have left hand side and right hand side equal after this step. So I hope you enjoyed the video.